Hi, I'm Ginger Burr from Total Image Consultants, and it's time for another Front Porch Catwalk. And it's a new year. Happy New Year. And today I wanted to talk to you about what's been going on for me since the holidays. And that is that I had a little downtime, and I really took a look at my wardrobe, which I encourage everyone to do from time to time, and I certainly do it too. I don't like to have too many clothes. I never have. I find it overwhelming. I can't possibly wear too many clothes. And I realized that what I wanted to do was look at my closet and ruthlessly get rid of the things that no longer serve me and that don't make my heart sing. And that's what I did. And I came up with 4 bags of things that are on their way, or big brother, big sister is coming to pick them up. They were going to come today, but we just had a snowstorm, so they're not coming today, and they'll come soon. But anyway, just the peace and the ease now when I open my closet, because my style, I know I show you kind of funky things and different combinations, but my personal style generally tends to be fairly quiet, elegant, simple, not boring, but simple. And this allows me now to really reach into my closet and feel even more excited to get dressed every day. So what are you doing if that's a priority for you, to simplify your life or your wardrobe? Maybe it's in your closet, your clothing closet, maybe it's some other part of your life. And do you have all these bags like I do? And Happy New Year.